Let's talk about numbers. For today's lesson, we will discuss circle. First, we have the learning competencies. The learner defines a circle. Second, the learner determines the standard form of equation of a circle. And next, we have the illustration. When a plane intersects the cone or knob horizontally perpendicular to the vertical line or the axis, then the intersection is a circle. So we have here, this is the plane and this is the cone. If this plane will intersect this cone as shown in this picture, perpendicular to the line, to the vertical line, which is this one, this is the vertical line, then the result will give us a circle. I mean, the intersection of the cone and the plane is called a circle. So again, the intersection between the plane and a cone is called a circle. Next, we have the definition of a circle. Let's see be a given point. So again, we have here, let's see be the given point. Next, the set of all points P having the same distance from C is called a circle. So this is the C and this is the point P. C and P here is the coordinate X and Y, or the ordered pair rather, X and Y. So C is the center, and all points P having the same distance from C, which is P, is called a circle. The point C is called the center of the circle, and the common distance is called radius. So this broken line is called radius R. Next, we have the equation of a circle. The standard form of the equation of a circle with center at H and K, or ordered pair H and K, and radius R is given as this. So again, the standard form of the equation of a circle with center at HK and radius R is given by this equation. So that is the quantity X minus H squared plus the quantity Y minus K squared is equals to R squared, where H here is the X of the coordinate center, X of the ordered pair of the center, and the K here is the Y of the ordered pair of the center, and R here is the radius. Next, we have the general equation of a circle with real numbers D, E, and G. So this is the given equation, the given general equation. X squared plus Y squared plus DX plus EX plus G is equals to 0, provided that DE and G should be a real number. Next, we have an example. We will have here an example about the standard equation of a circle. So we have here the given instruction. In each item, give the standard equation of the circle satisfying the given conditions. So we have center at the origin and radius is R. So we have the solutions. Since the center is at the origin, therefore, the coordinate will be 0, 0. Why? Because the coordinate of an origin in a Cartesian plane is at 0, 0. And its radius is 4, then we have this one. So again, this is the standard form or the standard equation of a circle, the standard form of the equation of a circle. We have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. So this is from the given definition, this is h and this is k. Then substituting this center to the given equation, we will have x minus 0, y0. Again, the coordinate, the h for the h is 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared. Y0, again, the k here is 0. So the k here is 0. That is y minus 0 squared is equals to 4 squared. Why 4? Because the radius r, which is this one, is 4. So therefore, we have x squared plus y squared is equals to 16. Why? X minus 0 is x, then square. So again, x minus 0 is x, then we square the x. Then y minus 0 is y, then square, so that is y squared. Then 4 squared, or that is 4 times 4, that is 16. Therefore, the standard equation of the given condition, which is centered at the origin and radius 4, is x squared plus y squared is equals to 16. Next, we have this one. Center at -4 and 3, radius is square root of 7. Next, we have the solutions. Since the center is at -4, 3, ordered pair -4, 3, and its radius is square root of 7, then we have, so again, copy, or we will write the original equation or the standard equation of a circle, that is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. Then substitute the given. Again, 4 here is the h, and k here, and k and 3 here is k, and this is r. So we have x minus -4, since h is -4, squared plus y minus 3, since k here is 3 squared, is equals to r squared. We have here r is square root of 7. So that is square root of 7 squared. Next, we have x plus 4. Why plus 4? Since we have negative times -4, that is positive 4. Therefore, we have x plus 4 squared. Then y minus 3. Why minus 3? Because -1 times positive 3 is just -3. That is y minus 3 squared. Then we have here equal to 7. Why 7? We have the square root and we have the square. So we can cancel the square root sign and the square. So therefore, we have it's equals to 7. So again, the standard equation of the given of the circle for this one is the quantity x plus 4 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equals to 7. So this will be the final answer. Next, we have another example. Give the standard equation of a circle satisfying the given condition. Circle A in the given figure. So we have here the figure 1.9. We have this one. The red one is the circle A. Circle A in the given figure. So we have the solutions. By inspection or by looking at the circle, we have the center is at -2 and 1. Why? So we have this one. This point is the center. So the coordinate here, this is x, right? And this is y. So therefore, the coordinates of the center is -2 and -1. So we have -2 and -1. And the radius is 4. Why 4? So we have here, from the center, we will count to the left and to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, the radius is 4. We will verify it from this side. Also, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 4. Therefore, the radius is 4. And even from the center going here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore, again, the radius is 4. So then we have, so again, copy the entire standard equation of a circle. We have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. Next, substitute the given. We have again -2 is h, -1 is k, and the radius, which is r, is 4. So therefore, we have x minus the quantity -2. Why -2? Again, this is the h. Then we have squared plus y minus -1. Since rk is -1, squared is equals to 4 squared. This is the r. So we have x plus 2, y plus 2, that is x. That is 1, -1 times -2, that is +2. So therefore, we have x plus 2 squared plus y plus 1. Y plus 1, -1 times -1, that is +1. So that is y plus 1 squared is equals to 16. Y 16, 4 times 4 or 4 squared, that is 16. Therefore, the final answer will be the quantity x plus 2 squared plus the quantity y plus 1 squared is equals to 16. So this will be the standard equation of the circle for circle A in figure 1.9. Next, we have circle B in figure 1.9. So this one, the blue one. So by inspection, so we have the solutions. By inspection, the center is at 3, 2. Why 3, 2? So we have the coordinate. So this is x and this is y. So therefore, that is ordered pair 3, 2. Therefore, the center is at 3, 2. And the radius is 3. Why 3? So again, we will count to the right. 1, 2, 3. Upward, 1, 2, 3. Downward, we have 1, 2, 3. Therefore, the radius is 3. So then, again, we have the standard equation of the circle. We have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. So again, this is h, this is k, and this is r. So we have x minus 3, so 3 is the h, squared plus y minus 2, which is 2 here, is the k, and this is equal to 3 squared. Why 3 squared? Since our radius or our r is 3. So we have, simplify, we have x minus 3 squared plus y minus 2 squared is equals to 9. Why 9? That is 3 times 3 or 3 squared, that is 9. So therefore, the standard equation of a circle in figure 1.9, circle B, is the quantity x minus 3 squared plus y minus 2 squared is equals to 9. Okay, so next, we have converting general form of equation or a general equation or the general form to the standard equation of a circle. So we have here the given x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is the general form or the general equation of a circle. X squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. We will convert this one to the standard equation of a circle or the standard form of the equation of a circle. So we have here the steps. Step 1 is to change the order of the terms so that the x and y's are grouped together and the constant appear on the other side of the equal sign. Leave a space after the grouping for the numbers that you need to add. So we have here the illustrative example. So we have the original equation. So we have x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 6y minus 3 is equals to 0. So we will group by x and by y. So we have x squared plus 4x. So again, x squared plus 4x. The next, we also group in terms of y. So that will be plus. So again, leave it blank here. So because we will put number here to complete the square or completing the square. The process is called completing the square. Plus y squared minus 6y plus that number, that constant or blank. So we have, so again, 4x squared plus 4x plus blank plus y squared minus 6y. So again, we just group in terms of x and in terms of y. Equals positive 3. Why positive 3? That is by transposition or the additive inverse of the negative 3 is positive 3. So we have here from this side, so from negative 3 by transposition that will be positive 3. Okay? So again, x squared plus 4x plus blank plus y squared minus 6y plus blank is equals to 3. So again, we just group them in terms of y, in terms of x, and the constant term, we let the constant term to the other side, or we just transpose the negative 3 to the other side. Next, complete the square for each variable, adding the number that creates perfect square trinomial. Perfect square trinomial. So here, the original one, we have x squared plus 4x plus blank, right? We don't have this yet kanina. Then we have plus y squared minus 6y plus blank. We don't have yet this one, right? And this is equals to 3 plus 4. 3 rather. We don't have yet 4 and 9. So how we get 4 and how we get 9? Positive 4 and positive 9. To get that is we need to divide this one. 4 divided by 2, that is 2 squared. So again, 4 divided by 2, that is 2. Then squared, so that is 4. So therefore, this should be 4. So again, 4 divided by 2, then squared, that will be 4. Kaya naging 4 dito. Plus y squared minus 6y plus blank pa ito kanina, right? So that is negative 6. The coefficient of y here is negative 6 divided by 2, that is negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3, that is positive 9. Kaya naging positive 9. So again, this one, 4 divided by 2, that is 2. Then, squared or 2 times 2, that is 4. Kaya, ilagay dito is 4. This is the process in completing the square. Next, we have negative 6 divided by 2, that is negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3, that is positive 9. So, we have this one. Kaya, naging positive 9. Equals 3 plus 4 plus 9. Why? We add here plus 4 or positive 4. And here we add also plus positive 9. So in order In order for the equation to be balanced, we need also to add to the other side plus 4 and plus 9. So, ibig sabihin, if you add here plus 4, you also need to add on the other side plus 4. And also, if you add here 9, then we need also to add 9 on the other side. Okay? So next, we have factor each perfect trinomial to get the standard form of the circle. So if we factor this one, x squared plus 4x plus 4, the perfect square or the factor of this one is x plus 2 squared. If you want to verify, you can multiply x plus 2 times x plus 2. The result will be x squared plus 4x plus 4. And y squared minus 6y plus 9, the perfect square for that is y minus 3 squared. If you want to verify, you can multiply y minus 3 times y minus 3. The result will give you y squared minus 6y plus 9. So again, to better understand, so we have this. So I will erase this one. So, okay, this one. So again, how we get x plus 2 squared? That is the factor of x squared plus 4x plus 4. How we get y minus 3 squared? That is the factor of y squared minus 6y plus 9. So again, this is the factor of y squared minus 6y plus 9. And this one is the factor of x squared plus 4x plus 4. And we will add this one, the constant. We have 3 plus 4 plus 9, that is 16. Therefore, the standard equation of a circle is x plus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equals to 16. So this will be the standard equation of a circle. So again, this is okay. So again, this is the standard equation of a circle. Then we have another example. So we have here a example of how to convert general form of a circle or general equation of a circle to a standard form of a circle. So we have here. So we have here the example. So we have here, this is the last example, right? So this is the step 3. So the continuation will be this one. Okay. We have already this one. So this is the standard form of the equation. This is the standard form of the equation, that is x plus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equals to 16. So here, we can already identify the center and the radius of a circle. What will be the center? So obviously, the center will be negative 2. Why? Because that is x minus the negative 2 will give us positive 2. So therefore, the center will be negative 2 and positive 3. So again, negative 2 and positive 3. That will be the center. Since the given standard equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. So this is h and this is k. Then again here, the h will be negative 2 and the k will be positive 3. Is equals to 16. So therefore, the square root of 16, since r is the radius, and 16 here is r squared. So r squared here is 16. So the square root, to get the radius, we need to square root the 16. The square root of 16 is obviously 4. So therefore, the radius will be 4. So again, the center will be at -2 and 3, ordered pair -2 and 3, and the radius is +4. Next, we have here, find the standard equation of a circle which satisfies the given conditions, identify the center, radius, and sketch its graph. We have x squared plus y squared minus 6x is equals to 7. So again, here, we need first to convert the given standard equation of the given general form of the equation to the standard equation of the circle. So we have the solution. Step 1. We have copied the original given. So we have here x squared plus y squared minus 6x is equals to 7. So next, we need to complete the square. So we will group them. We have the x squared and the -6x. So we have x squared minus 6x plus blank. So we don't know yet what will be the number for that. Plus y squared is equals to 7. Next, step 2. X squared minus 6x plus 9. Why 9? So that is -6 divided by 3. -6 divided by 2, that is -3. The -3 times -3, that is +9. Therefore, this one is plus 9. Plus y squared is equals to 7 plus 9. Y plus 9. Again, we add here +9. We need also to add to the other side of the equation +9 in order for the given equation to be balanced. So therefore, x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus y squared is equals to 7 plus 9. So we have x squared plus minus 6x plus 9 plus y squared is equals to 16. 7 plus 9, that is 16. So step 3, we have to factor. So the factor of x squared minus 6x plus 9 is x minus 3 squared. If you multiply x minus 3 times x minus 3, the result will be x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus 9. Then plus y squared is equals to 16. So therefore, from here, what will be the center? So the center will be 3. Why 3? Again, this is h. So again, this is h. The 3 here, the 3 is h. And the y squared, since the y squared here, we don't have here k or a number that is positive or negative k. So therefore, the k here is 0. So the center will be at 3, 0. The radius is 4. Why 4? Square root of 16, that is 4. So therefore, the radius is 4. So what will be the graph? The graph will be this one. So again, the center will be at 3, 0. This is the coordinate 3, 0. And the radius will be 4. So we will verify if this is radius 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore, the radius is 4. So again, center 3, 0, and the radius is 4. So this will be the graph of the given equation x squared plus y squared minus 6x is equals to 7. Next, we have x squared plus y squared minus 14x plus 2y is equals to -14. So again, we first convert the general equation of a circle to the standard equation of the circle. We have the solutions. Step 1. So again, we need to copy the original equation. Copy the original equation. Next, we have to group them. So we need to group the terms. So we have to group x squared minus 14x plus blank plus y squared plus 2y plus blank is equals to negative 14. So what will be the blank here? So again, how to find the number here, the constant? So we have negative 14 divided by 2. That is, again, this is negative 14. So again, negative 14 divided by 2. So we will divide this by 2. Divided by 2, that will be negative 7. Negative 7 times negative 7, that is positive 49. So therefore, this should be 49. Then here, 2 divided by 2, that is 1. 1 times 1, that is 1. So since we add here 49 and 1, so we need also to add to the other side of the equation, that is 49 and plus 1. So we have this one. X squared minus 14x plus 49 plus y squared plus 2x plus 1 is equals to negative 14 plus 49 plus 1. So we have, so negative 14 plus 49 plus 1, that is 36. So we have already this equation, x squared minus 14x plus 49 plus y squared plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 36. So next, we will factor this. What will be the factor? So for this one, the factor will be x minus 7 squared. So this is the factor of x squared minus 14x plus 49 is x minus 7, x minus 7 squared. If you want to verify, try to multiply x minus 7 times x minus 7. The result will be x squared minus 14x plus 49. Then, this one, x squared plus 2y plus 1, the factor of this one is x plus 1 squared. So if you also want to verify, you need to multiply x plus 1 times x plus 1. That will give you, I mean, this should be y. This is y plus 1. This is a typographical error. This should be y plus 1 squared. X minus 7 squared plus y plus 1 squared is equals to 36. So this should be y. Okay, again, this is y plus 1 then squared. This should be y plus 1 squared. Okay, is equals to 36. So this is already the standard equation of the circle. X minus 7 squared plus y plus 1 squared is equals to 36. What will be the center? The center will be 7 and negative 1. So again, this is h and this is k. So we have x minus 7, so that is h is 7, x, y plus 1, that is, the k should be negative 1. And the radius is 6, y6, the square root of 36, that will be 6. So obviously, if you want to find the radius, always take the square root of this term, the constant term. So therefore, we have this graph. So this is 7. The coordinate is 7. 7 and negative 1. Then The radius is 6, so we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So therefore, the distance is 6. Then we have also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the distance from the circle is 6. So therefore, the radius is 6. So therefore, this is the graph of the given equation x squared plus y squared minus 14x plus 2y is equals to negative 14. So before I proceed, so I have here a practice exercise. You can do this in order for you to master our lesson. So we have letter A. In each item, give the standard equation of the circle satisfying the given conditions. We have number 1, center at 4, negative 7, radius 7. Number 2, center at the origin, radius 2, square root of 2. Number 3, center at 15, negative 20, radius at 9. And letter B, find the standard equation of a circle which satisfy the given condition and identify its center and radius. So we have x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 10y plus 27 is equals to 0. So that could be all for this day. So again, we discussed about circle. For the next video, I will going to discuss the parabola, the hyperbola, the parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you, and again, a pleasant day.